Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well, and let's begin the discussion of classification matrices. In just the previous lecture, I have given the overview of what are evaluation matrices, out of which there are various classification matrices like classification matrices, regression matrices, clustering matrices, information retrieval matrices, anomaly detection matrices, and multi-class classification matrices. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss on classification matrix. So the first one is accuracy, thereafter precision, recall, F1 score, ROC curve, and AUC. Right. So let's begin. Basically, the first term that you are going to heard here is accuracy. So what is accuracy? Accuracy is, in simple terms, if I want to derive, it is the proportion of correct predictions among total number of predictions. So whatever correct predictions are made out of total number of predictions, we can call it as a accuracy. In the simple formula, you can describe it like this: number of correct predictions divided by total number of predictions, right? So it is useful when the classes are balanced, and however accuracy can mislead to the imbalanced data set. So accuracy, which is an evaluation matrix, which is in classification under classification matrix, are used when the classes are balanced. So let's take an example. Suppose we are having a binary classification problem where we are predicting whether emails are spam, that is positive, or not spam, that is negative. We have a data set with following actual outcomes and predicted outcomes after running our model. So total emails are 100, out of which 20 are spam, which is considered as a positive, means spam means positive data. Okay. And if it is not spam, it means negative. So data is given, and the predicted labels are also given, that true positive 15, false positive 5, false negative 5, true negative 75. So one question you will have here: what are true positive, false negative, true negative? So let's understand here. Let's say if actually the mail is positive means spam, and negative means not spam, right? So if the mail is spam and it is predicted as yes, it is spam, means positively it is predicted, then it is called as true positive. But if your mail is not spam, but still if it is predicted as a spam, it is called as false positive, because originally it is not spam, but it is predicted as a spam. That is why, right? Now, actually if your mail is spam but it is not predicted as a spam, means spam mail is predicted as not spam, then it is called as false negative. And what is true negative? That your mail is not spam and it is predicted also as a not spam, it is called as true negative, means it was not spam, and originally also it is not spam, and predicted also it is not a spam, right? So these are true positive, true negative, false positive, and false negative. With the help of this chart, it is very much clear, right? Okay, now let's come to the question. We need to derive the accuracy, total number of correct predictions. So what are correct predictions? True positives are considered as a correct predictions, right? Because these are spam mail also predicted as a spam, so true positive. On the other hand, we are having true negative. What are true negative? Which are not spam, also they are predicted as a not spam. So we need to, these are called as correct predictions, right? So add them. So what need to add? True positive and true negative. So true positive is 15 plus what are true negatives? 75. 15 plus 75, that is 90, right? Divide by total, that is 100. So what you are getting? You are getting 9 by 10, that is 0.9, nothing but 90%. So the accuracy is 90%. The accuracy is 90%. So accuracy is proportion of correct predictions among total number of predictions. Correct predictions among total number of predictions, that is 90%. So what we can derive? That model's accuracy is 90%. So accuracy is number of correct predictions, that is true positive plus true negative divided by total, right? So I hope this is clear, right? Guys, stay tuned for discussion of the next parameter, that is precision. One by one, we are going to discuss each and every term and with the help of numerical examples. So do subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more such videos on the research and each and every emerging technology.